Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I'm working on the dirt bike. This is my 2016 YZ250FX. Today I'm going to replace these kind of beat up hand guards. These are Acerbis hand guards. I'm going to switch to ones that are a little darker in color, so they're kind of a dark blue and white as opposed to white and blue. So I'm going to get these replaced. I really like these. I like the vented ones. You know, they're not as hot in the summertime. They've provided good protection, but they've just kind of gotten beat up. You take a spill, you run into things. You can kind of see here, this is kind of beat up here. So we're just going to make it look a little better. Check out the link in the description for a link to these. You can find them on Amazon. Okay, assembly is pretty easy. If we see here, you just slip these are labeled. This looks like it has an L. This is the left-hand side. So this side. So what we'll do is we slip the black piece in, and there's just a screw and a nut that tightens it down. Just tighten that down, then it just clamps on the bar right here. So we have our black piece on. We're just going to slip it on. It just screws onto the handlebar here. I'm putting it right next to the grip. All right, it's all clamped on. Just want to make sure they're not going to interfere with the levers at all. They look like they won't. If you can see, there's just these two Allen bolts right there. They bolt on. The other ones that I had on here must have been bent, because these actually have a lot more clearance between the lever and the handguard. So that's probably what happens over time is you drop the bike a little bit, they get dinged, they get bent. So anyways, these should look good. They look good. They should work good. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. Thanks.